Hi, hello. I am going to show you how to make vintage flower hairpins. And as you can see, I have my glue gun here. You don't need a glue gun, but it can make it easier. You take the wide rose and you insert it in the hole of the petal. The petals have a back and a front, and I want you to try both to see which way you think is prettiest. Like this on my petal is a bit flatter, and if I turn it around, it's gonna cup a bit more. So whatever you think is prettiest. And the glue gun. This is when you want to use it. A tiny amount of glue in the middle of the hole. Pull the rose down. And now you take the stem of the rose and you insert it into the hoop of the pin. You position it a little bit where you want the flower to be, preferably at the front maybe. And I'm going to show this closely. And you want to wrap the wire in between the petal and the pin. Now you want to do it quite firmly. Once you feel it's properly on, you can cut the wire off or wrap it all around. And now again you might want to position it a little bit, and that's your hairpin. Let's make another one, and this time let's not use the glue gun. Same thing, of course. Enter through the hole and through the loop, position where you want it, and wrap the wire in between the petal and the pin. Cut the wire off. Again, you might want to position it a little bit to the front. And there are your two hairpins. I hope you'll enjoy making them, and thanks for popping by. Take care, bye.